You know it's high price lows. 2 M's that's on the pedal. This make that jealous. This cup ain't never fellas. My J's they match your melon. You know it ain't no telling.
This is a part 2 Q Shebley Favorite Things video, company that hand makes shoes in Spain. Q Shebley really liked our last video. They actually reposted it. I'm an affiliate of theirs now. Over Christmas, stayed in a hotel, left my black shoes in the room. Don't do that. And then went back to get them and they were gone. So I needed some new black dress shoes. I designed some on Q Shebley's website. We wanted to do an unboxing video. Let's get into it. It takes a while for them to get here. So I'm a little bit excited, mainly because I kind of forgot everything I did. Let's take a look. Beautiful, perfectly packaged. There's no space in there for it to rattle around. Beautiful box, artisan made. All right, this is pretty. Fancy little shoe sleeves. Oh yeah, oh these turned out great. Got to choose the bottom color. Really love that. They're actually much lighter weight than I even thought they were. Penny loafer I did in luxury suede. Chiseled toe, that looks really cool. Very dressy. Great craftsmanship. The heel is beautiful. The stitching all hand done. They fit very true to size for me. I had a friend ordered some and he said that his were just a little bit narrow for him, but he has a big fat foot. So maybe that's why it wouldn't get in there. Love the way they come in terms of their packaging. They're very comfortable, surprisingly so. You should try them.